Alright guys, so just got home from work. Thank you for clicking on this video. And I wanted to bring you guys my new parts, Texas Speed and Performance. I've wanted to work with them for a while, and I picked this up on a Black Friday sale. Even though there's... I got it really quick in the mail. And this is little Lincoln. He's Mr. Steal Your Girl. Alright, so I'll just tell you what's in here because it's headers and exhaust. You guys are going to find out in a second. Hope the angle's right. I'm so excited. So excited. This is the O2 sensor extensions. Ugh. Ugh, come on, get out of there. Oh, man, this is awesome. Oh. Oh, look at those welds. Hope you guys can see this. And the welds are obviously only on the inside. Yes. So clean. An O2 sensor bong. Oh, wow. That really can help the flow, I guess. And that's right there. Hey, you look so confused, buddy. That looks so nice. Love it. Oh, this is gonna be so good on the car. This is the exhaust gasket. Quantity 1. We need 2. There we go. Number 2. AC Delco. And these are metal. So that's pretty cool. Let's get the other one out. Oh no! Yeah. Can you say daddy? Yeah. Can't get this one out. So this is the driver's side. That is the passenger side. Basically, I'm just checking for anything that happened in shipping. Looks the exact same. And also you want to make sure the screws threading good. With all the welding, it is possible it'll not work right. So these are 1 7/8 opening up here, and they come out to a 3-inch. Then, like I said, I got the O2 extensions because they're no longer going to be at the top of the exhaust, now they're at the bottom. Yeah. All the clamps I need. Something tells me that's going to go there. Ouch. No, I think that one might stay there. Something tells me this one goes there. This one's going to go here. Come on, you still have to come out. There we go. And this is the off-road no cat Y pipe. Jeez, which way does this go? Yeah, we'll just assume it goes this way. Again, check over the welds, check for anything in shipping. This box doesn't have any dents on it, so I'm not worried. Check that. You can also tell I sized this up in here just to make sure they did go on properly. And I'll also be doing that over here. Once that fits, we'll check this one also. Check this also. Looks good to me. The weld looks awesome. Man, it's gonna flow. And check some more. Alright guys, well that's my first look at the Texas Speed and Performance headers and off-road Y-pipe. This might be its own little video. I definitely plan on getting this installed for the next video. My videos are going to be all a little messed up. I've been working on my car. I'm not that good at recording videos. And working on my car. Apologize, guys. So in case I missed anything, I do have exhaust cutouts to go on here. From looking at it, it's going to end up going like right here. I was hoping there'd be a little bit more room, but there isn't. They're at my friend's house right now. Man, this is just super nice. And see, where's the other one? That's gonna be a little tight. Well, once I get to my friend's house and grab the exhaust cutouts, I can better figure out where they're gonna go. So I recently did the transmission swap. I switched over the interior, the center console, the pedals. I did a line lock. Obviously, I'm doing the exhaust cutouts. I'm doing the headers, the cat delete, which is this right here. I'm sure there's something else and I'm forgetting it, and I do apologize. After this, the only other thing I need to do is possibly switch over the gear ratio in the rear to a 373. There should be a 342 in there right now. So in case this is its own video, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys please hit the subscribe button for the support. And we'll see you next time here on the Dammit Dave YouTube channel. Look at that, he just waved bye to you guys. Can you do it again, Lincoln? Oh, he's trying. He's trying. There it is. He just waved to you guys again.